Okay, well, I've got the valve cover gaskets all soaked. I'm just going to do a scrub down. Your basic scouring pad with a sponge. Go under your sink and get one if you have one, you know. Use a butter knife to get these gaskets off, or a utility knife if you have to really just scrape under. Or if you really, well, there's the back side, or a scraper, whatever. I'll be scrubbing the crap out of these things. And get that. So you know what? That's the back of the utility knife. So, pretty nasty. I don't think that's going to come off really much, if anything. I'm not really caring if I sacrifice, so I'm going to get a brand new rebuild kit for this anyways. I probably want new pistons, everything. I just got to take it apart first to really decide, is the engine worth saving or what's worth saving. Most of the time, not much is worth saving, especially on a 69 where it's a Ford 302. They're dime a dozen. Damn. What a pain in the butt. I am trying not to rip it because I don't want to make an incomplete mess and then start picking up things. It's better to, you know, pick up one gasket, throw it in the garbage. Yeah, the problem with old cork, it can, if it's been in there for a long time, it's going to dry rot and then soak and absorb to the steel. So after you do all this separation of the main thing, you're going to have to go over with a utility knife or something decent, wire wheel or scraper works too. Alright. Quick take a look. Surprisingly, that paint is in pretty good condition. Look at that. A little bit of old grease, a little bit of work, and she'll turn out fine. Probably should have brought a can of brake clean in, because I'm going to be needing it afterwards. Got the majority of this shit out, but to really know what's in there. It's a learning lesson. I got the greaser, but it's just not cutting it. They say, oh, you need quality stuff. Not all the time, but well, I'm thinking this time, yeah, I should have. Because whatever this crap is that's on here, 40, 50 years of garbage that, this thing is a nightmare. I'll leave that at that, pull it out, go to the other one, and probably want to puke, because this is just as bad. I don't know. It's pretty good. I'm obviously not even close to done, because holy crap. Powered by Ford, yeah, blah, 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 sell your product. Sometimes you don't want to be powered by Ford. Shit. I own 4 of them. Really, I'm not even a Ford guy. Alright, so I've gotten it clean mostly. Like you can't get all this off with degreaser and a lot of water. Probably gonna need, you know, brake clean, gasoline. Actually, gas is actually a really good desolvent and solvent at the same time. But obviously, stinks of gas. Like, well, they're not so bad. I got most of it out, but inside these little areas, you don't really ever count on getting everything out because that's press welded steel, and I'm not breaking that apart just to clean tiny little bits in there. And this is a valve cover gasket, or valve cover. It's not going to be touching any of the bottom metal, but I'm going to try. And that's it for that bit, and then we'll go to the carburetor.